What's up, Code Phonies? I'm back with another Code Commute, and today we're going to talk about whether or not you should apply for junior web dev positions, or junior developer, junior software developer, junior software engineer positions, and what alternatives do you have if not applying for those. So I remember back in the day, I had a lot of trouble getting these junior positions. I didn't get any, actually. I jumped straight into a regular web developer position because I just looked for normal jobs, and I just, with as much confidence as I could, attended every interview that I could for these like regular level, not junior, not senior positions. And I mean, the interviewers actually knew a lot less than I thought they would. So whenever I actually attended those interviews, they went pretty well. So my advice to you guys who are actually looking for those junior positions, to just, try to up your game and just apply for any like non-senior position. I mean, if you can get that senior position, that's up to you. But I don't think I'm even ready for those kind of interviews. But who knows? Maybe I could walk in and it could be just as easy as a normal one. Not saying that they're easy, but relatively for the amount of experience that they're asking, I'm thinking. So a different alternative that I don't think many people are talking about online is the apprenticeship. And I'm actually an apprentice myself, and I became an apprentice after I worked as a web developer for 1 year. And I took that opportunity because I don't have a college degree. And with that comes a lot of questions whenever you're at interviews like, oh, why don't you have a college degree? And it just gives you the impression of someone who doesn't finish things. You know what I mean? And I get that. And that's why I'm going to finish this program and show everybody that, hey, look, I can finish something. I did finish something. And here's some proof. The apprenticeships usually come with some kind of certificate from the Department of Labor. And I think that's a good credential. And it's from actual companies that are hiring people and showing them what they need in the industry. So you're not going to college and learning a bunch of useless things, then getting hired by the company and learning what they actually need you to learn. You learn what they need you to learn then and there. So it gives these big companies a lot more flexibility and just a quicker turnaround for their employees, because they don't have to wait for them to graduate. You know what I mean? Because right now, if you're learning some kind of technology that's new and you're in college, you have to wait. If you're just starting out in college, you have to wait 3-4 more years before you get out. Maybe 5 or 6 years. And then the company has to wait for that? In 5 or 6 years, the technology is going to be old. So they're going to have to teach you a new technology anyway. So this way, they get to control the education of that person, basically. And in return, they get a loyal employee, I think. Yeah, another reason to apply to these apprenticeships, I think, is because everyone and their mother is applying to those junior developer positions. Because everyone is lacking confidence, basically. So if you can be the one to either apply for normal positions, senior positions, or go a completely different route and apply for those apprenticeships, then I think you'd have a much better chance of getting your foot in the door as someone who's making a career change, or just someone who doesn't have a degree yet, or isn't even planning on getting one. It's definitely possible to get into this industry without a degree, and I'm living proof of that. This is my second job. I'm not bragging or anything, but I just want you guys to know that it's possible. Like, I hated it in the restaurant industry. The service industry in general, I don't like it. It made me wear this mask every single day, and now I can be myself. And it just feels great. And I want everyone to feel that way as well. Especially you guys, part of my community. And I thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I will be doing some more tutorials pretty soon. I'm just really busy with a lot of side projects and things like that. I'm making a back end for a web app I'm about to make. Hopefully I can make a video about that. So stay tuned. Peace. See you next time.